Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use either Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you will find the update and if you will decide that you want to download it right now, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so we can avoid some charges because the files connected with the updates are quite large. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, so let's go to the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update, and then tap on Software Update at the top. So now your device will basically check for the updates. That's why we need the internet connection, and you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, so you can just go back. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and then apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.